Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the new duo pose pack in Just to Impress. So you do have to be with a duo. You have to sync with a duo here. So you are going to open menu, and then there will be a duo setting. What is this? There will be a duo setting, and you're just going to send it to your friend or somebody who's playing. And I bought here the duo pose pack. If you can't find it, you're just going to select the shopping bag here and go to the packs, poses, and then duo pose pack. It costs 3,000 of these paint currency. And again, you do have to be with a duo. I'm just waiting for me and my duo to show up. Where is that top from? Oh, I do have that. It's just in black, so I don't know. But there's Whoa There, Lavender, Mirror Ball, Adorable, In Your Mind, XOXO, Midnight Sun, Twinsies Drag, Carrie, and Gnarly. Is it our turn yet? No. Also, these are songs, as well as this. Taylor Swift, Zara Larson, and Cat's Eye. The rest could be songs as well, but I just don't know them. Now it is us, finally. Okay, I'll just show you a few poses. This is the Whoa There, Lavender, Mirror Ball, Adorable, In Your Mind. Oh, okay, it's on cooldown, but those are the duo poses. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.